today we decided to make corn with you guys. Well, we got some pretty big ones. These ones look pretty cool. Yeah. I've never seen corn like this, but it's pretty cool. I don't know. And this one is like maybe the tallest one we have. And we're going to be making corn with you guys. Now it's time to peel the corn. Okay, we got the corn. Now it's time to peel. Yeah. Whoa, that was pretty easy. Huh? Whoa, what are these white stuff? I never saw them on corn. I mean, I did saw them, but like here, the stripes. And guys, you know, if you like games and other stuff like that, you could go on K&M Kids. We do a lot of fun stuff. Like we did, we play games on it. Oh, it's fun. Yeah. Okay. Whoa, guys, look at that. I got it, but we still have to cook it. I mean, like whatever it's called. We're just gonna make it outside, like make a fire, and like we don't have to go like inside and you know. It will just be way easier. We'll just take more time. Oh, that's pretty. Hey guys, you know we have a fire over here. And we have an apple tree right there. Okay.